Welcome to today's Explainer. We're talking about the hidden toll that winter takes on your vehicle. I mean, between the corrosive road salt, those notoriously deep Maryland potholes, and the sheer stress of freezing cold starts, your car has absolutely taken a beating. Consider this your ultimate rapid-fire spring reset. Okay, let's dive right into this. Is your car quietly hiding winter damage? Because honestly, fluctuating tire pressure and extreme cold battery strain, they're often setting the stage for some really costly repairs, especially if you're out there battling heavy D.C. and Baltimore traffic every day. Skipping a seasonal checkup, it's a major gamble. So, to tackle this effectively, we're relying on the local experts at Bumble Auto. As a trusted auto service and used car dealership serving the greater Baltimore, D.C. area, they've actually put together a strict 10-step checklist for us to follow. Let's get into it. Step 1, tires. Cold weather practically forces your tire pressure to drop, so check your levels and your tread depth right away. Seriously, preventing a dangerous blowout on those unpredictable Baltimore highways, that is priority number 1. Moving to step 2, battery health. Freezing temperatures literally drain power fast. You're going to want to test the voltage and clean away any of that nasty terminal corrosion. The last thing you want is a dead battery, leaving you stranded in heavy Columbia traffic. Step 3, engine oil and filters. You see, engine oil naturally thickens up and loses its effectiveness over those cold months. So flushing out that old, sludgy oil and installing fresh filters is absolutely critical to getting your engine back to optimal performance. Okay, step 4, brakes. You need to inspect them for wear and really listen for any squeaking or grinding. Make no mistake, your brakes are your number 1 safety system in that stop-and-go DMV traffic. Don't ignore them. Now, what's really interesting about step 5, it's all about fluids. It's incredibly simple, right? Yet so many drivers just forget it. Just top off your coolant, brake fluid, and transmission fluid. It ensures a smooth, friction-free ride as those outside temperatures start to rise. Step 6, wiper blades and windshield. Let's face it, winter ice absolutely destroys rubber. Swapping out those worn, torn blades is vital for maintaining clear visibility, especially during those sudden, heavy spring rainstorms we get around here. Step 7, suspension and alignment. If you're feeling a bouncy ride, or maybe your car keeps pulling to one side on the highway, yeah, you're likely feeling the brutal aftermath of winter potholes. Get this fixed before it completely ruins your tires. Step 8, air conditioning. You really need to act on this now. Test the airflow and clear out any strange odors well before the sweltering DMV's summer heat actually arrives and makes your commute completely miserable. Step 9, clean and protect. And hey, this isn't just about looks. Thoroughly washing the undercarriage is an absolute necessity. It removes all that trapped, corrosive road salt that will quietly cause rust and literally eat away at your vehicle. Finally, step 10, lights and electrical. Just double-check your headlights, brake lights, and turn signals. It takes maybe 2 minutes? It compensates for heavy winter usage and guarantees much safer night driving. And this brilliantly illustrates the big picture we're looking at here. Ignoring maintenance leads straight to costly breakdowns. But on the flip side, proactive spring care translates directly to an extended lifespan, better resale value, and daily reliability, which is, absolutely vital if you're driving a used car. So, the crucial point is how this all builds into our core takeaways. There are 3 powerful reasons to act right now. Improve your safety, avoid those costly repairs, and extend your vehicle's life. Spring isn't just a change in the season, folks. It's a vital mechanical reset. So, get your car spring ready with Bumble Auto in Ellicott City. Whether you're simply commuting to work or planning a big getaway, ask yourself, is your car truly safe enough right now for your family's next road trip? Don't wait to find out the hard way. Check off that list, stay safe, and enjoy the drive.